Hey, so I wanted to talk about a new feature that we added to Cartloop, which is order placed messages, order placed automations. And it looks like this. Hey, this is a Haley from the store. I wanted to thank you for your order and share a 40% coupon code for you to redeem it. Just use this code. Now, this is very similar to the one that we used for the checkout abandonment or cart abandonment that we already know of. And this is the original one. So you will be seeing more and more of these kind of messages spread out throughout the conversations. And why I did this video is because I wanted to explain how it works so you know how to handle these kind of conversations as they come up, right? So in this particular case, it's actually not a good example. So it's a counter example. So this person just purchased $400 worth of products and he asks, what are other products do you have? Because I just bought 3 of these. And we said, we currently sell only this product. If you decide to buy again from us, use sale 20 for 20% off everything. Now, what we should have said, if you decide to buy again, first of all, it should have been a more friendly message. It's pretty rigid. It doesn't really sound excitement. It doesn't share any excitement because the guy just like he purchased 3 of these anyways. So we should have shared this one instead of sale 20 for 40% off. That's first things first. Now, here's a look at another conversation, so you can learn that it's a counter example. It's something that we shouldn't have done. So, we managed to convert the user, right? So this is the regular cart abandonment, and then here's the message that we sent after he purchased. Right, so he got the 40%. So he says, "Hey, that would have been great for my own order. LOL. I used the 20% off." So he wanted that 40%, but he used the 20. Now, like the way we handle this is just completely off base. Like it doesn't really like make any sense. The way we said it here, it's because like whoever replied here probably did not understand this message and like why it came up there because it was a new feature. So first of all, we should have said like something to tell him like, hey, don't worry, you can use the 40% for your next order or anything along those lines. And he asked, do you have other products? Again, the message was not really great. We should have said like, you can check. Anyways, we're not going to go into this kind of feedback. So what I wanted to share is that you will see these kind of messages popping up, and they will have different shapes of forms because this is a message that the user, the customer can customize actually. This one, it cannot, but this one, it can. And if you look here in this section, this is where the customer, the store can make changes to these flows. We'll call them flows, automation flows, okay? So we're gonna have a look. So they do something like this, order placed. So this message gets sent after someone places the order, and it gets sent 1 minute after, and they just create this kind of message, and they add the link, they can add tags, and this is how it looks for, like as a preview. So that's all from me. I just wanted to show you that we're going to have these kind of new automation messages coming up more and more, and we're going to have various kind of triggers like win back. So just pay close attention if you see anything like this where it's no person, it's just the system that sends the message. Just pay attention to that and make sure you take that into consideration when you hit reply.